Hi guys, welcome to Power of MS. In this video, we see USOIL last week prediction result and next week analysis. So let's see. Start with daily chart. Just a minute. Okay, you can see. So daily chart downtrend. Let's see the last week analysis result. So you can hear. So here we draw some consultation base. If this box is breakout, we next upside direct. If we take a entry, you can see the violet box. It is our key level. If the key level is break, we expected that buy entry and target for 30 minutes that retest area. Yeah. So but market did not break the key level and market break the low. So our if the low is break, our first target is this one and next target is this. As our prediction, market for first two target hit and market take a retest, and you can see previous support here working as a resistance and also down, and also you can see here all target downside, all target hit for 22 23 in 2 days. 2 days, just taking 2 days for all target hitted. Then market is a major time frame. Okay guys, let's see next week analysis with full analysis. So we start with step by step full analysis. So we take remove trades. Let's see in weekly. So weekly you can see currently market in range on market maximum downtrend, major is downtrend. If they can see here in this simple market low, market fill almost 60 to 70 percentage of 60 to 70 percentage filled. So market can move upside in weekly. So weekly is upside, so we can mark here weekly high. So week high 1. Okay, this is our week high 2. So this is our weekly low. Okay, let's see daily chart. So in daily you can see market in downtrend. I think this is taking retest now. Let's check here also market break the 618 level. Okay, so this is our daily low and daily high. So retest area is broken, and also is previously this area as a acting like a support area. You can see this fully as a key level. Okay, previously resistance and support, here also small support, and now current market in key level for in daily chart. Okay, so in daily we need to confirmation for lower time frame any breakout and breakdown. Let's see in lower time frame, next time frame 4 hour 4 hour 4 hour currently market. Okay, so currently market in support area. So let's check the retest mark. So this is our 4-hour retest area for this. Okay, 4-hour high is this is our 4-hour high. This is our low, 30 minutes low. Okay, 4-hour. Okay, currently let's see in 30 minutes time frame. We draw support and resistance level for in only in 30 minutes time frame. That's why we taking low and high for major time frames. So don't mistake me. Okay, that's my okay. So market here 30 minutes time frame support area. Next support here. This is one, and here also. This is huge. Okay, this one next support, and key level, and it's weak low. This is our weak low. So daily low. So next support is this. Okay guys, if the let's check for this impulse retest. So market so perfectly retest and market done. Okay, retest is done. So 30 minutes high is now this one, and this one. Okay, you can see here small key level. Okay, so resistance, we need resistance. So okay, in 4-hour, this is 4-hour retest area. Here's imbalance and some of key levels here fully. So we check this key level. So next one is here. Okay, 4-hour is okay. Okay guys, let's see. Guys, if the low is break, our next target is this one. Sorry, here market can return. So possible return here. It is breakout. Next target is this. Okay, this is our weekly low. So can see this key level. So wait and see. And, Okay. Mm. So it's not take, so don't miss for this impulse retest area. Okay, the highest break, our first target is here mark correction, then next target here, and if this series break, our next target is this correction, and here. So here small, I don't tell this area, this is some of difficult. So okay guys, this is our next week forecast for 30 minutes time frame USOIL. So I will show in 4-hour forecast. So market currently in support area. You can see the doji candle. If the doji low, ignore it. Previous low is here. If this low is break, our next target major downtrend target is weak low. Confirm. I take small in this area, and this is weak low. I think if the lowest break, we expect a target weekly low near in this support area. Okay, 73 point. Okay, near. If the doji candle highest break, our first target is near this high area. Okay, near this high. If the high is break, our next target is 4-hour 618. Okay, 4-hour 618 is our next target. In 30 minutes, we did not know. You can see here this is support area, but market closed in above support area. Market if the down, it take any buy entry confirmation, take buy entry here. Target is here, confirm, take target is here. If the market upside, let's see. Okay, so 30 minutes time frame. So guys, in lower time frame, wait for confirmation, and there is now can tell market breakdown or breakout. So wait for in this area for buy. If the low, if this area is break down, take sale. In this area any buy entry, take buy, and target is this high. Okay guys. Okay guys, please like and subscribe our channel. We post daily analysis in our community. You can check here. This is our last day, Friday, and this is, you can see here morning we post. I will show. Here you can see here, you can see if the resistance is break with our target is here. If the support is break, our first target is it 30 minutes retest area. Okay, you can see here as our prediction, market did not break the resistance and support is break, our first target hit, and you can see here a single candle break the retest area and taking this area as a support. Okay, and also previous days let's say analysis for if the resistance break, our first target is reach 30 minutes 18 minutes retest area, but market break this support and first target hit, and also did not break the support and break and huge candle break the previous high. Okay, previous high break, and our next target is here. You can see also hit and you can see we draw this Wednesday 24. We draw this forecast. Market can buy in this area and down for here. I will show the. Okay guys, you can see here July 24 daily analysis. We post this forecast. You can see here market came up, up direction, and we expected for down area for in this area or in this area. Okay, as our prediction, market is fully down, and we expected for in this area. As our prediction, market is down. So follow my just daily analysis post, follow my support and resistance, and follow the arrow mark just and, and know about more analysis, just follow my weekly on video for this channel. Okay guys, thank you. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Please support. Thank you. Bye. Let's see in next video. Thank you.